what my mom would do if I just, like, quit ballet.
Grounded for life. Boneless to a barley fresh.
Or maybe she finally gets off your back. Roast beef to a barley, back at you.
S-K-A-T.
Do you guys really have to play skate right now? I'm trying to have an existential crisis here.
We bet $5 and I need lunch money, so yeah.
Then you're gonna starve, my friend.
So your crisis got me thinking, Tricky. Newton's third law says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Wow, this must be massive! Oh.
So, you think my mom, what? Makes me quit skateboarding?
Hard to argue with Newton.
I'm with Tani. Your mom is so hardcore. Ah!
True that. Still fish to judo. Yeah. But she could surprise you.
Nah, the only thing that surprises me these days is when Jake wears matching socks.
Man, S-K-A-T.
Actually, there's a scientific theory I think might explain Jake's sock glitch. It says we all evolved from aquatic bipeds.
What does that even have to do with...
Webbed feet would be so cool. No more socks or shoes.
No way was I some aqua dude. I hate seafood.
Okay, check this. Fakey Benihana to a Superman to a sex change.
Jake, you can't do that combo.
No choice. Need that cash bad. I am starving. Son of a freaking... Can't believe you, sir. It's so hard to land that. Oh!
Personally, I don't think we evolve. We just become our parents. Or some reaction to them.
So my theory is we evolved from microbial life. You know, germs that probably came here on like a meteor from some other galaxy.
What? You saying we're aliens?
Exactly.
I gotta say, having your own UFO to cruise around in would be so cool.
I had a wicked sound system, and that UFO's one sweet ride.
Well, technically, sound waves couldn't escape the anti-gravity field it would take to power a UFO. Ooh! Oh, probably just another rusty can.